Today, Kemolo Large Industrial Freeze Dryer starts shipment. Amid industrial production, we're dedicated to offering top solutions. This delivery isn't just of the freeze dryer, but also fulfills our commitment to quality and innovation. The freeze dryer gathers our team's years of R&D efforts. As an advanced manufacturer, our cost-effective freeze dryer uses advanced refrigeration tech to control ultra-low temperatures precisely, maximizing material activity and nutrients. It fits food processing, extending shelf life while preserving flavor and nutrition, and pharmaceuticals, stable, safe drying, meeting diverse needs. With spacious processing space, high efficiency, and durable design, strictly tested for stable long-term operation, it supports large-scale production. On-site, staff did final checks and packaging carefully. We look forward to this freeze dryer creating value for customers and boosting the industry. Kemolo will keep providing better products to aid industrial growth.